Governor Ahmadu Umaru Fintiri has declared a 24-hour curfew on Adamawa State, following a breakdown of law and order across the state. The development followed looting of warehouses by residents, who carted assorted foodstuffs and other valuables under guise of looking for palliatives. Chief Press Secretary to the Governor, Mr. Humwashi Wonosikou, in a statement made available on Sunday afternoon, said the curfew takes effect immediately on Sunday, July 30, 2023. According to the statement, Governor Fintiri said the curfew followed the dangerous dimension the activities of hoodlums had assumed across the state capital city as they attack people with matches and break into private business premises and homes, carting away people's belongings. With the curfew imposed, there will be no movement throughout the state, he declared. He said only those on essential duties with valid identification would be permitted to move around during the period of the curfew. The governor is appealing to citizens and residents of the state to comply with the directive, he stated, adding that any person found contravening the order would be arrested and made to face the wrath of the law.